This is my personal presentation. Hello, my name is Luis Arrieta Garcia. I come from Colombia. I have been living in Santa Marta since 1980. I was born in 1971. I married in 1996 when I was 25 years old. We have a son and a daughter. They are living with us. Our house is located on the mountains out of the city. Here there are many interesting places to visit. My number of phone is 300-655-0391 and my email is safenatbaniat@hotmail.com. I'm a welder and builder since I was 20 years old. My address is Kilometer 5 Road to Minca, Santa Marta, Magdalena.